Hello friends, welcome back. This is Rohit. In today's video, we're going to do another math lesson on addition, but this time we're going to learn how to add two-digit numbers instead of single digit what we learned in the last video. So let's get started. Alright friends, let's recall what we did in the last video. 4 plus 3 equals to what? We learned the trick to draw lines. So the first number is 4. Let's draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second number is 3. Let's draw 3 lines underneath 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count all these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Let's do another problem before we move on to the double digits. So 5 plus 4 equals to how much? We remember, right? Let's draw 5 lines below 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's draw 4 lines below 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the answer is 5 plus 4 is equal to. Alright friends, so let's get into the two-digit addition numbers now. So here is going to be the example of that. For example, let's take number 13 plus 4. Alright, now remember the only difference between this problem and the previous problem we did is that the numbers are a little bigger this time. Since we have a two-digit number, so what we're going to do, we're going to put 13 on the top and 4 at the bottom. You have to make sure the numbers are aligned. Now, we could easily draw 13 lines here. Since there is a number 4, we could draw 4 lines and we can count them all and you would get the same exact answer. But do you really want to count and draw that many number of lines? I don't think so. So I'm going to teach you the really easy way to add these two numbers together. Forget this number is 13. Just look at this 3 and look at this 4. Since we have a 3 here, draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. We have 4 at the bottom. Let's draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count all these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Now let's move on to the other side, which is number 1. Since there is no number here, we're gonna assume that this number is 0. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So our total is 17. Alright friends, let's do another problem with a different number this time. Let's take 12 and 7. So the top number is 2. Let's draw 2 lines. 1, 2. The bottom number is 7. Let's draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count all these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Now let's come to the left side. The number here is 1 and there is nothing underneath. So we're gonna assume the number is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So our total is 12 plus 7 equals to 19. I hope that gives you an idea of how to do double-digit addition numbers. Let's do another problem. 23 plus 6. Alright, the first number is 3 on the right side. Let's draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. The bottom number is 6. Let's draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count all these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Now let's move on to the left side. The number here is 2 and there is no number underneath 2. So we're gonna assume as 0. So 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So our total is 29. Alright friends, let's do a little challenging problem here. Let's take 18 plus 6. The top right number is 8. Let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The bottom number is 6. Let's draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know what to do. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 gives me 14. And now guys, thing to remember here is we do not write 14 like this. This is not the right thing to do. Please do not do that. Instead, this is what we're gonna do. 18 plus 6. We know 8 plus 6 is 14. So I'm gonna put down 4 here for the 14, but I'm not going to put this 1 next to 4. I'm gonna put this 1 up here in the next column above the number. Now we are done with the right side, which is 8 and 6. Now let's move on to the left side, which is 1 here and 1 up here. So simply all you're gonna do, you're gonna count these two numbers, 1 plus 1, which is 2. So that is your total. 18 plus 6 is 24. Alright guys, let's do another challenging problem here. Let's take this time 17 plus 8. So the number on the right top corner is 7. Let's draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bottom number is 8. Let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know what to do. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 gives me 15. Remember guys, we do not want to write 15 here like this. Instead, we're gonna do this. 17 plus 8. We know 7 plus 8 gives me 15. So we're gonna write 5 from the 15 here, and this number 1 will go above the next number in the next row. Now all you gotta do, just count these two numbers. Since there is nothing, we're gonna assume it's 0. So 1 and 1, total 2. That gives me 25. Alright friends, that's it for today. In the next video, we will be learning about subtraction. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe and leave the comment below. Thank you.